Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive messages on Messenger. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Messenger on your device. Tap and hold the conversation you want to archive. And tap Archive. The message has been archived. To make the conversation reappear, you must remember the name of the conversation. So, tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the conversation you archived. Now send a message, and the conversation will reappear on your page. And that's how you archive messages on Messenger. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.